Just cannot believe it. Look at this energy. Oh my God, you just can't believe it. You honor all of us. It's just an incredible thing that you still have this much energy and passion. We thank you all for doing this.
We thank you.
What other machine than Amiga could do something like this, has ever done something like this? It's just amazing. It's a small miracle in our lives. We're not worthy. No, we're not worthy. We're not worthy.
Long live Amiga.
Thank you. Okay.
Yeah.